Hi SALT users, this is Joelle from SALT Software, and in this video I'm going to be demonstrating the Explore menu a bit more. I'm going to be using the newest version of SALT Software, SALT 20. The transcript that I'll be working with comes with the software, so if you want you can open it up and work along with me. So when we open the software, we're presented with the dialog box, so I'm going to go ahead and click Open, and it's in Samples folder, Lesson Samples, and it's Jeremy coded. So here's our transcript. So we're going to go right into the Explore menu, and I'm going to show you a couple different things. What we can do is explore a list, and then what I'm going to do is go into the word and code list. So you'll notice the left-hand side, we're selecting which utterances we're going to be working with. So we're going to go with the first speaker, Jeremy the child, and the analysis set, so complete and verbal intelligible utterances. And the left-hand side is our display options. So I'm going to go ahead and select the word and code. And then what I can do, I can title this and type in my verbs. So let's say we're interested in looking at do verbs. So I can go ahead and type in whatever verbs I want. And don't, for example. And you can save all of your lists so you don't have to do this every single time. So that's kind of nice if you're looking across multiple transcripts or time one, time two, you can hit save and go ahead and save this list. So I'm going to look in the main body and I want them to be identified as a word. So I'm going to click OK there, and it looks like there's 7 of those. So we're going to go ahead and hit list, and there you can see a list of utterances that contain the words that we specified. So there's 2 instances of using the word do, one where he used the word done, and then don't. So that's just a simple way to look, search, and explore. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and reset this. So that time I was looking for specific words. You can also do this with codes. So we'll title this verb codes. Okay, and you'll note in that sample that there were quite a few codes. So it was verb present, and then verb past, and okay. So those were the 3 codes that were completed on the transcript. So I'm going to go ahead and click OK here. And then we're going to go list again, and then we can see all of those utterances that contain those codes. So he used present tense verbs 25 times, and we can see that code followed by all of those utterances. He had 1 past tense verb and 3 future verbs. If we go back, if you don't want that much information, if we go over to the right-hand side, we can deselect the list utterances and then just the words and codes and the number of occurrences. So I'll show you what that looks like. So same information, just without the whole utterance there. So you can see same count. Let's go ahead and do one more thing in the Explore menu. So I'm going to go ahead and look at, I selected find. So what this is going to do is find things in the utterance, in the transcript, excuse me. And let's go ahead and I'm going to put our do list on here again. Oops. So type those in quickly. All right, so then if I click OK, what this is going to do is come up and find them within the transcript. So this is not generating a list, it's just bouncing you through the transcript where these are occurring. So you can click these arrows up here in this dialog box. Move that down a little bit so you can see it bounces us through the transcript. Or you can go ahead and click on the individual utterance. So this can be a handy feature if you want to go and make edits to your transcript. Okay, so hopefully that gives you a little bit of an idea how to use the Explore word and code list in SALT 20. Thanks for watching.